You all right, miss? Miss? Did you hit your head? Quickly, inside.
What's happening?
Air raid. Probably just a drill, but one can never be sure. This way, into the theater.
No, I can't. I have to meet someone. I'll be all right.
Find shelter as soon as you can.
Miss, the Emerson has a strict dress code. I'm going to have to ask you to leave.
All right. Ladies with me.
Mr. Cole, I'm so sorry. I didn't realize she was your,
Wife. This is Cassandra Cole. Thanks.
Nice suit.
They don't give rooms to couples unless they're married. You had me worried. Party's tonight. I thought you might not make it.
How long have you been here?
2 months. It's all right. It gave me a chance to get things ready. I sold off a bunch of that jewelry. Money's not a problem.
Good. I need clothes. I'm drawing attention.
I took care of that, too. The sales girl figured your size when I showed her this. And I got a couple other dresses for you upstairs, too. Hey, you wanna sit down, grab a drink or something? I've been drinking whiskey sours. You ever have one of those?
Oh my God. You like it here.
What's not to like?
We need a plan to get into a secure military function during wartime.
And I got us on the guest list with a generous donation to the Columbia Alumni Society. I'm on top of it. Just relax. Try to have some fun.
This isn't a vacation.
Mr. Cole?
Yes.
Telephone?
For me?
You asked for James Cole?
Hello? Hello? Nothing.
My apologies, sir. There was a man on the line. It sounded urgent.
All right, thanks, Stanley. What are you doing?
This picture's gonna be taken tonight. Could risk causing a paradox if there are two of them. You should burn those.
Where are you going?
To get ready. We have work to finish.